Welcome back to the channel, Core Enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into one of the most budget-friendly and eco-conscious cars of 2025, the Dacia Spring Electric. Compact, smart, and all-electric, this hatchback is redefining urban mobility. Let's explore what makes the 2025 Dacia Spring Electric the perfect choice for city life and beyond. Body panels. The Dacia Spring Electric features lightweight yet durable body panels designed to enhance aerodynamics and efficiency. Its compact frame makes maneuvering through tight city streets a breeze, while the reinforced build ensures safety without compromising fuel economy. Headlights. The sleek LED headlights provide excellent visibility while consuming less energy. Their sharp design adds a modern flair to the vehicle's front fascia and ensures a clear path ahead during night drives. Taillights. LED taillights are integrated seamlessly into the rear design, offering crisp illumination and a contemporary look. They enhance visibility for following drivers and contribute to the vehicle's overall safety. Grille. The closed-off grille reflects its electric nature, improving aerodynamics and giving the front end a clean, minimalist appeal. A small Dacia badge proudly sits at the center, embodying the brand's identity. Mirrors. Body-colored electric side mirrors include integrated turn signals and manual folding functionality. They offer a wide field of view and fit snugly with the Spring's compact design. Seats. Inside, you'll find comfortable fabric seats with good lumbar support, perfect for daily commutes. The 2025 model adds enhanced padding and optional seat heating for extra comfort. Dashboard. The dashboard follows a simple and functional design. Digital displays replace traditional gauges, providing real-time data such as range, speed, and energy consumption. Infotainment system. i7-inch touchscreen infotainment system comes standard, featuring smartphone integration via Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's intuitive and responsive, giving you access to maps, music, and calls with ease. Climate control. Manual air conditioning is standard, with optimized airflow for small interiors. The system is easy to operate and energy efficient, making it ideal for an electric hatchback. Steering wheel. The multifunction steering wheel is ergonomic, featuring audio and phone controls. It's light and responsive, perfect for tight turns and parking in urban settings. Engine. Instead of a traditional engine, the Spring Electric uses a 33 kilowatts electric motor. It offers quiet operation and smooth acceleration, ideal for city traffic. Transmission. A single-speed automatic transmission provides seamless power delivery. There are no gear shifts, offering a smooth and consistent driving experience. Hybrid option. The Spring is a fully electric vehicle, so there is no hybrid variant. This helps keep costs and maintenance low while minimizing environmental impact. Exhaust system. Being electric, it has no exhaust system, which means zero tailpipe emissions, a win for the planet and city air quality. Airbags. The 2025 Dacia Spring Electric is equipped with front and side airbags for both the driver and passenger, ensuring safety in the event of a collision. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 equivalent. While it doesn't come with Toyota Safety Sense, it does feature lane departure warning, autonomous emergency braking, and speed limit array, vital tools for modern driving safety. Parking assist. Rear parking sensors and a reversing camera help make parking in tight city spaces easy and stress-free. Blind spot monitoring. While basic in features, the top trims include a basic blind spot warning system to alert drivers of nearby vehicles during lane changes. Battery. The Spring Electric houses a 26.8 kilowatt-hours battery pack, offering a real-world range of around 230 kilometers, WLTP. It's well suited for daily commutes and urban errands, privacy and enhances visibility. It gives the vehicle a premium look despite its budget-friendly price tag. Charging. It supports both AC and DC fast charging. With a 30 kilowatts DC fast charger, it can charge from 0 to 80% in under an hour. AC home charging takes about 13.5 hours. Front suspension. The McPherson strut front suspension system absorbs road imperfections well, offering a stable and smooth ride through city streets. Rear suspension. The rear features a simple but effective torsion beam axle, keeping things cost-effective and comfortable for everyday driving. Brakes. Equipped with disc brakes at the front and drums at the rear, braking is smooth and sufficient for its lightweight and low top speed. Wheels and tires. The 14-inch steel wheels are wrapped in low-resistance tires that help maximize range while providing a stable ride. Trunk space. With 290 liters of boot space, it offers enough room for daily shopping or weekend bags. Fold the rear seats for even more capacity. Folding seats. The rear bench seat folds down easily to expand cargo space, accommodating larger items when needed. Roof rails. Optional roof rails add practicality, letting you mount a roof box or bike rack, a handy addition for adventurous city drivers. Base model. The base model offers essentials like manual AC, digital instrumentation, and a touchscreen, all at a budget-friendly price. Hybrid variant. No hybrid variant is available since the Spring is a full EV. Fully loaded trim. The top variant includes features like alloy wheels, advanced safety tech, heated seats, and better interior trim, offering great value while staying affordable. Release date. The 2025 Dacia Spring Electric is set to arrive in European dealerships by summer 2025, with availability expanding across markets in the months to follow. And that wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Dacia Spring Electric, a smart, efficient, and budget-friendly EV that's built for the future of urban mobility. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more detailed car reviews. See you in the next ride.